Due to coronavirus, many countries of the world are facing lockdown situation. Oftenly people exaggerate the situation to stay in homes and get stressed, complaining time is not passing or what else can do in our homes. Well, these are the most common complaints from people. In today's video, we are going to tell you 10 works which you can do or you have to do, but with little different sequence. When was working to the content of this video, try to classify the work with the way in which their importance is also shown clearly. Like traditional classification style, our classification also up to the scale of 1 to 10 points. First 2 points and last 2 points are highly important and included in our responsibilities. Well, how this sequence works, we'll explain you later in the video. Now talk about 10 works which we can do in our homes in lockdown situation. So, 10 works which could be or must be done in coronavirus lockdown situation. Number 10. Don't go outside. Regarding this, one of our video has been uploaded already. You can see its link attached with YouTube card. This is very important for us that we just stay in home. With this, we can save ourselves and others from coronavirus. In current situation, it's our responsibility that we restrict ourselves to home and don't go outside until it's genuinely needed. Number 9. Charity. In current scenario, it is very important that we think and take care of those who have financial problems and unable to afford their basic needs, especially people who's working on daily wages. If we found someone in our surroundings or far away, then we must have to help them. It is also included in our responsibilities. Number 8. Diet and exercise. In home, mostly people spend their time in just sitting in front of TV, phone, laptops, etc. Or they enhance their diet when they are in home. But it affects their health badly. In this situation, it is very important for your health that you maintain your diet and keep doing exercise. By doing this, you would be healthy and take care of your family better. Number 7. Housework. Women mostly do housework, especially housewives giving all of their time to their houses. In these days, if men also do housework or help in it, so it could be beneficial and make relationship better, and there is nothing wrong in it. Even it could play an important role in reformation of marital relationship and helpful to understand each other. Number 6. Online courses. There are lots of online courses are available on internet. Now you can easily do your desirable course which you want to do earlier. But due to lack of time or busy schedule, you didn't. For online courses, you don't need to go anywhere. You can do it in your homes. Number 5. Reading. Often we thought that if I get time, I will definitely read this book. So this time is available now. Especially for those who complaining regarding time passing and bore issues, they can utilize their time in reading book they planned to read in free time. So now the time is available to read and think on the book. There is no doubt that books are humans' best friend, but have to choose wisely. Number 4. Writing. Many of us want to write many things, but due to lack of time, they cannot. Now when we have time, so utilize it and we can show our writing skills and write something better, write what we want to. Through writing, we can contribute in the development of society and serve humanity as well. Number 3. Communicate with family members. Many of people are complaining in this situation that time is not passing, although they have a best time to communicate with the family and make bonding with them, try to understand them and what they actually want. Perhaps you didn't have time earlier, but now you have it. This is the best time to understand each other, make strong bondings, learn and teach what is beneficial for them. With doing this, we can make our homes good, and good homes can build a good society. Number 2, related to religion. If we see, religion is found as a thing which gives us purpose for our lives. It is true that in today's time there are many religions exist, and even people who don't believe in any religion are also living in the world. But unfortunately, a huge amount of believers from all religions do not even know what is written or what their religion says to them actually. They are just following blindly what they see in surroundings. This is best time to get awareness and understand our religion. Think about it deeply. Similarly, people who do not believe in religion can also do the same thing. They can be aware with their own concepts and others' religions and their arguments and compare it on the basis of evidence. People who are believer can also do comparison between their beliefs and other beliefs, between their concepts and others' concepts. By doing this, they would be aware and able to check out are they on right track or not. And connecting with God is very important. On current circumstances, keep praying to get rid of this situation. Number 1, using consciousness. After getting knowledge or awareness, many of us do not correct their ways. Even they do not want to think regarding they are right or wrong. At this time, we have wilderness, and now we can just sit and think we are on right track or wrong, or where we are right and where we are wrong. Many domains of our life could be included in it, even religion as well, as we discussed earlier. Our parenting style, our social behaviors, like this, we have many things to think. It is the thing which is known as spiritual intelligence. We need to use our conscious, think about ourselves that we are right or not. We must be walk on a right track before it's too late. So that's our 10 works which are classified on the scale of 1 to 10. In this first 2 works, using consciousness and related to religion, and last 2, don't go outside and charity. These 4 works are very important to do. It's included in our responsibility. After this, we have on number 3, communicate with family members, and on number 8, diet and exercise. Well, if we see, these 2 works are important for our home and for our personal development. After these remaining 4 works, housework, online courses, reading, and writing. These works are optional, but if we do it, they could be very beneficial and bring positive changes in our lives. So hopefully now no complaints are left regarding time because we have enough work to do in it. We end our video with the resolution that we will spend our time in good works instead of complaining. Take care of yourself and your home. And if you like our video, then before leaving, subscribe our channel and like it. Thank you.